Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the system was unable to find the specified registry key or value. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video guys. You just need to copy this command one by one. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. Press enter. So being system scan, this process will take some time. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% complete guys. After getting 100% complete, you just need to copy the second command and paste it guys. And after finishing this second command verification 100% complete, copy the third command guys. And the third command verification complete, you just need to copy the fourth command. If I do these all commands verification, I will get lots of time in the video guys. That's why I'm not doing it. You can check my video description for this command used in my video. After finishing this all commands, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem will be solved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.